200. That's fine. Fine with that. Yeah, that's fine. Cheers. Sorry about that. Hello everyone. So you guys are the young stockbrokers, are you? Is that right? A bit quiet today, guys. What's going on? Hey? Alright, well I'll tell you what. I'll put a few questions to myself. Quite a bit loud. How about that? Okay, good. Sorry about that, guys, but I feel a bit like the time with this song. Right, people often ask me, they say, Lee, my nickname's Cher, by the way, Lee Cher Sharman, alright? They ask me, they say, what's it like dealing with shares? I'll tell you what it's like. It's a jungle. And you've got to be a tiger in that jungle. You've got to roam around the territory. Look for your friends. Look for your enemies. But always know your territory. You guys up to that? Alright? Jungle. Test we'll do. Guys, we've got a little bit of a wait. Let's make it a bit interesting. Let's have you all on your feet, please. Okay, today, this room is your jungle. Alright? You need to be tigers in this jungle. Alright? I'm going to set you a little challenge just to get you warmed up, alright? I'm going to start some music. Alright? And when the music stops, you need to find a chair to sit on. Alright? Okay, do we understand? Are we ready? You can't sit down until the music stops, that's cheating. You can't sit down until the music stops. You can't sit down until the music stops. Try and get moving around, come on. The music can stop at any time. It can stop at any time. You can't sit down. That's cheating. I'll start taking chairs away. I'll start taking chairs away. You've got to get back on your feet. No cheating. The music hasn't stopped. Come on. Use the chairs. Welcome to the jungle, my friends. Welcome to the jungle. Alright, you go back to your original seats now. Thank you very much. You sit there, which was very, very interesting. You showed what your natural instinct was. Alright? Some of you stayed by the chairs. You were cautious. You didn't take any risks. Alright? Some of you went, hey, keep the jungle. And you went rolling off. You weren't worried about when the music stopped because you were a risk taker. Alright? Other people were going to nick chair on someone else. Not naming their names. Okay? It just shows you a little bit of insight into what your own nature is all about. And that's just what a stockbroker needs to do. A stockbroker needs to recognise what their own personality is, then also how to operate in the most effective way, whether to hunt or whether to run away. Alright? Interesting. So, okay, what are stocks and shares? That's why you're here, isn't it? Right? In the UK, stocks and shares pretty much become the same thing now. I won't go into the definition of it, but basically shares are what you hold in a company, and stocks are you've got a group of companies as a holding. Boring, don't need to know that. Alright? A share, we'll call stocks and shares from now on. Okay? A share is basically you taking a little bit of ownership of a company. Okay? It's that simple. Me and Kat would say simple, yeah? It is that simple. You can figure it out. Okay? So, quite straightforward. You buy a share or shares, you then own a part of that particular company. Okay? Obviously, it makes sense that you want that company to do well, don't you? Yeah? This is a message you hear quite a lot from stockbrokers and people who work in the city. Buy high. That's wrong. Buy low, sell high. Crikey, not making any money last week. Alright? Gets a little bit more complicated than that though. There's a big but. I don't mean my but so I get onto cars, alright? Big but. Come on, that's it's easy. I haven't got a big but so I never laugh. Yeah? Okay. Yeah, there is a big but. Share prices don't just go up. Okay, don't just go up because of their success. They go up on expectation and speculation. Alright? Two quite big words, so I'm going to explain it to you in a slightly easier way, right? Can I have 4 volunteers, please, to be my shares? Nothing happens here yet. 4, put the phone, please, 4. Guys, put the support, should we give an applause? These guys are now going to be shares, okay? Let's put the magic, yeah? These guys are going to be shares, okay? So what's your name? Lewis, okay. Lewis, do you guys know sport? Or what football team you support? Okay, support Newcastle, alright? Right, Lewis is now a share, or a group of shares in Newcastle. Okay, the football club. Alright? Now, if there's any sort of positive news about Newcastle Football Club, let's say they're going to move into a brand new ground that's going to be the biggest ground in the whole country. Okay? That's going to generate some income for the club. Okay, it's good news for the club. Alright? So Lewis, share price will actually go up based on this possible good news. Do we get that? Yeah? Good news equals a rise in share price, okay? So what's your name? Jen? Okay, Jen, do you like listen to music? Music? Okay. Right, let's say you own shares in a string of nightclubs, okay? Now, what's now happened, the government are thinking of banning alcohol in the UK for everyone less than 21. This is made up, by the way, don't panic, alright? Run out of the room, jump through the window, alright? They're going to ban alcohol in the UK for everyone under the age of 21. Okay? What's that going to do? So is that positive or negative news for a nightclub? Negative, okay? So that will affect sentiment towards the share price, okay? So that share value will go down. Alright? Just going to put a couple of examples. What's your name? Dan. Jenny, you want to call recently? Yeah? Okay, you're a call recently, okay. Right. You're going to be a share in a medical company, okay? And you are currently doing research into the cure for the common cold. Ooh, interesting. Yeah? And you almost hit on it, you're almost going to make some massive discovery that you're going to cure the common cold. Is that positive or negative news? Positive, of course it is, yeah? So what will happen to share price of that? Well, yeah? Do you get that? Okay. So what's your name? So feature not shopping? Not really? Okay. Do you ever go supermarket shopping? Right, okay. You might have heard recently, this week actually, and I was became a bit of a prop with this, was that Morrison's supermarket, over at Morrison's? Yeah, Morrison's, big supermarket chain. The big boss of Morrison's actually left to go to Marks and Spencer's, okay? Now, this guy is a genius. Yeah, that's why he got the job at Marks and Spencer's, okay? Now, is that positive or negative? Yeah, that's negative, okay? So what happens is, basically, so the share price will actually go down based on negative sentiment. Alright? Now, there's a slightly easier way to represent this. Now, this is a tip you can all tell your friends and family about this. They're called bull and bear markets. Alright? Don't you worry too much about it, it's just a funny way, it's an interesting way to remember things. When the stock market rises consistently over time, it's called a bull market. Right? Easy way to remember that is basically the bull's horns on the top of your head point upwards. Okay? Do you want me to let it go? Go on, bull horns. People doing it, okay? Interesting, back to risk taking thing as well. People are going on to do that on the media, okay? Alright, so that's the bull market, okay? The whole thing's bull market. Bear market, okay, basically means that the share price is going down consistently over a period of time. Okay? Easy way to remember that is the bears have got long arms. Okay? So they're low down. Okay? That's why they was long pause. Tell you what, wasted here, I'm going basically, yeah, I know, yeah. So these guys are shit. Do we get the other Do we get that? Yes or no? Yeah. Yeah? Yes or no? Yeah. Guys, come on, wake up. Let's get more energy than this. You've put it in a little while. Thank you very much. Give me a round of applause. All very, very interesting so far. Okay? Key is though, when you've got this positive and negative news flying around, the key is being able to react very, very quickly. Okay? I'm going to walk around the room and I'm going to tap someone on the shoulder. Okay? And I'm going to say positive or negative. You've got to react by putting your arms down low, with your horns up high. Okay? So if you weren't paying attention, you're in trouble now, guys. Remember what I said. Okay? Positive means your shape wants to go up. Okay? Up, forward to pull. Okay? Negative, one arm to the bed. Okay? Positive. Yes, indeed. You've got to react quick. Remember, the information comes to you, you've got to react quick. Negative. Very good. Negative. Very good. Positive. Very good. That's like one of those. Okay, fair enough. Okay. Next. Very good. Easy. You've got the hands now, quick. So what's the message there? Basically, go like that. You're out of it. That's what the message is. Basically, good and bare markers. Remember that, okay? Okay, you're all thinking now, it's very, very simple. Very, very simple, yeah? Full of bed. Basically, you're thinking, so basically, you get some news, you just react. Easy, isn't it? Okay? Not quite that easy. A lot of stuff goes on a training floor, which you'll be doing today, that you have to take account of. You have to look for all the information and take a bit of information that you need out of what's going on. Okay? I'll give you a little demonstration, actually. Okay? It's not for the faint-hearted, being a stockbroker. Okay? A lot of noise, a lot of bustling, a lot of busyness, a lot of stress, a lot of pressure. Okay? So let's have a look at an example of that. Alright? What we're going to do now is I'm going to try and recreate a little bit of noise of what you might expect if you're on a stock market trading floor. Alright? So what we'll do is that this line here, okay, will be the tapping on the keyboards. Okay? So basically, when I say, I want you to go rat-tat-tat, rat-tat-tat, rat-tat-tat. Okay? Tapping on the keyboards, yeah? Rat-tat-tat keyboards. Let's get involved. Let's be risk takers, alright? Let's be risk takers today, okay? Let's do all these keyboards down here. Rat-tat-tat when I say, okay? Let's go! Rat-tat-tat. Oh, guys, rubbish. Rubbish. Right. Let's get really loud. Let's get really loud. Right? Come on, let's set the principle. Let's get really loud. Can you shout out of that? Let's go rat-tat-tat. Go on. Okay? Okay, better. Right, okay, stop now. Rat-tat-tatting. Okay? These here, okay? These tables here, okay? All this line here now. You've got a hard job to less of you, okay? But I know you're quite loud, which is what we want, okay? I want you to be loud, it's energy madness, okay? You're now going to be all the traders talking to each other, okay? It's going to be blah, 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 what? Blah, 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 what? Blah, 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 what? Okay? Okay? We're going after 3. 1, 2, 3. Blah, 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 what? Let's get the points out. Alright, let's have some rat-tat-tats in here. Rat-tat-tat, come on, rat-tat-tat, rat-tat-tat. There's a blah, 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 blah. Alright? 3, and I asked a couple of facts. And I had 4 questions, and I got one correct answer. But what I got mostly was, the message I'm trying to give you today is you've got to be focused, alright? There's a lot of